Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling irie. I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good because we have another jam-packed reading for you today. Yes, today we are looking into August going into September, okay, and we're looking at what messages are there for you regarding love, money, and career. Okay, what do you need to hear right now? So let's get into it. Guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. Welcome, welcome, welcome to T-Sippers. Yeah. So we have three piles, pile one, pile two, pile three. So go to that number that's calling you. Okay. What number is resonating, calling you right now? Go to that number. Okay. And I hope you've got something sweet and maybe some tea, some water, or some snacks just to keep you hydrated, okay, as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems, okay? And do have a look at all of the other readings available at Wagwan Tarot. Okay, we also have the Summer of Love pick a card readings available every Sunday for the rest of the summer as part of the Summer Love pick a card readings, okay? So let's bring in some good energy into the reads. Let's get into it. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to strengthen their use of discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So we have pile one, pile two, and pile three. Go to that number that's calling you. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow and to bring in more tea sippers like you. All right. See you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are looking into pile one, okay? So let's see what messages are under pile one for you. So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage just to keep you hydrated as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems, okay? And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. All right, let's see Wagwan. Okay, so okay, so we have the moon being here. So I feel like the moon being here is that perhaps in August there may be a lot of energy on like maybe past thoughts or feelings, or there could be kind of like it could be a time like I'm getting this energy of like wanting to scratch my head. I feel like there might be some moments where there's things that you know is not serving you, and it could be where in love, money, or career thing. It could be like wanting to start anew, and there are two full moons, okay, in August as well as a new moon. There's also the blue moon that will be coming up soon, and this is also being filmed around the new moon season. So I feel like this is a time to start anew and to let go of anything that is not serving you, okay? To use this time to let go of things. Even I feel like if there's been things that your intuition has been kind of kicking off at this time, maybe you might be feeling in a like a type of way. I feel like it's the message is trust that feeling. Ask yourself maybe the question of not noting it down when you get this feeling. It could be about somebody, something, and recognizing, is it adding to you? Is it bringing value? Okay, is it asking you to, explore and see if this is something that is adding to you, adding to your life? Okay, because there are, I feel like, especially with the energy of August, we also had the Lion Portal. Okay, so I'll put it in the link below because there was a reading from the last year's Lion Portal, and the Lion Portal, the Lion Gate portal, is the energy that manifesting energy is very strong at this time. Okay, although manifesting energy is strong all seasons, all cycles, but it's very strong in August. Okay, so it's a good time to really kind of get clear and have take that time to have some clarity on what is it you truly want and desire for yourself in all areas in your life, and to focus on the things that you truly want, because the when we put energy onto things that we don't want, it can clog up our manifesting. Okay, our manifesting routine, our manifesting systems that we've put in place. Okay, even if it's like you might be just trying to speak it into existence, but be mindful of how what you speak and what you say, what we think, because we can also be manifesting that into our existence. And when you are conscious of doing it, or sometimes you're not even conscious of doing it, a good way is just to say delete, delete, delete 3 times, and just say delete everything I said just now. That's not delete anything, or another way you could do it is delete anything that is not in line with my true purpose, and delete anything that is not in line with me. Anything that I said or any thoughts, delete that. And it's a way of letting your subconscious know, okay, computer, do not register. Okay, do not register that check. Ooh, got another catchphrase right here. Okay, please, if you do recall this bit, please put it in the comments below, because it really helps me to remember all of the catchphrases as well. Okay, but yes, do not register that check. Okay, so the moon is here to remind us of that, because look what's here in store. You're about getting that paper, that moolah, that money, baby. Building yourself up, okay? And I feel like what's coming ahead is you going really getting into your own, claiming that. So there has to be a period of you kind of letting go, not dwelling on things that are not serving you, and to release those things, because they could be holding you back from sitting on your throne, your rightful throne, okay? Being the queen that you are. Yes, honey. Yes, darling. We have to claim this for ourselves, because look what's here, the world. So there's going to be many opportunities, and many opportunities, I feel like, in love, money, and career. I feel like the energy right now though is kind of really kind of you getting into your own and loving on that, loving on yourself, embracing that energy, okay? So let's have a look and see what the Jamaican Proverbs want you to know right now. Okay, so what do you need to know in regards to your love and money and career? And because we filmed it in mid-August, we're also looking into August energy as well as the energy into September. But this is really positive, okay? There is this great, especially with the moon being here, there is this kind of energy of like looking, reflecting, but letting that go. Keep doing what you're doing, keep working on you, keep building on you, because it's going to open many doors, okay? And sometimes if we're going through a period of change, we can look back and go, oh my gosh, and all this, no, and it's like, no, 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 keep on going, keep on going. Okay, because look at this. When beggar a beg from another beggar, him never get rich. In Jamaican patois, when beggar a beg from beggar, him is usually like to say him or she. It could be anyone, okay? Doesn't really matter what gender. Him never get rich. Him never get rich. Okay? They never get rich. And this is the energy again. If you are holding on to this energy, this is feeling like a lack of resources, is a feeling of lack. Trying to go into anything, whether it's your love, money, or career, is only going to bring more lack. So the energy here is here to remind us, and with the Jamaican proverb also, is to not get caught up in that energy. Not get caught up in the feeling of the lack, feeling of the worry, feeling of any anxiety or stress. Write things down if there anything that are worrying you. Talk to people that you trust, that you have good relationship with. Okay, because that can really also help to alleviate any kind of like feelings or any issues you may have at this time. Okay, and to speak more about the things that you do want and the things that you are aspiring to, the things that you are taking action and you're working towards, so they can come towards you. Okay, and I feel like it's also a good time to assess your boundaries. Okay, and also looking at the ways of how you show respect to yourself. I feel like there's a key message here, showing respect to yourself and how the respect that you give to others, letting that come back to you and letting you allow yourself to embrace boundaries, whether you're an empath or you're not an empath, but embracing and boundaries that are aligned with you, so you can continue to keep working on you, because there's going to be lots of opportunities coming your way, and in order for those opportunities to flow like a river, yeah, you've got to let go. Okay, we're not going to be in this begging, lacking attitude. Okay, because look, we have to be mindful of our circle, our mindset. Energy attracts energy. Okay, so this is where we had like a bit of the general reading. Now let's have a look at some love messages. Let's see what love messages wants to come through for the collective. So we are looking into the August as well into September. Okay, let's have a look and see what messages. Woo! So look, honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So this could be a good opportunity to get to know someone on a deeper level. Okay, whether it's a crush, a love interest, a person on your mind. What else do they need to know? Okay, we have retreat. So also, if you've been thinking about going on a holiday, this could be a really good time to unwind, let go of that moon energy, work on yourself, embrace you being, a person of luxury. Why not? You deserve it, okay? Take those opportunities, okay? This is your time to shine. Yes, okay? All right, let's have a look and see what else. Oh, the intuitive fingers trying to pull. Oh, wait. This could also be an opportunity, especially with the world being here, for new love. Ooh la la. So a new person has stirred your romantic feelings, okay? I'm getting the message, okay? Take the time to get to know this person, see what they're about, what their intentions are, okay? What else do you need to know? What else do you need to know in regards to love? Ooh, okay. There could be, and I feel like this could be the moon energy. Perhaps there could be maybe some past feelings, or there could be someone from the past that wants to return, but there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. This could also be perhaps friendships where you may have kind of drifted, and I feel like it could also be someone may be stuck in the past, not wanting to grow, not wanting to develop. But however, you've got to keep going. You've got to keep going on your journey, okay? And the message that I'm getting, you can't be anyone's savior, okay? You can't be anyone's savior, especially drawing attention to the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles didn't get where she is by the message I'm getting, by just always trying to think, oh, but how am I going to look? How am I, going to be perceived by others? No, baby girl. This is the message I'm getting. No, baby girl. Okay? No, you've got to focus on you and you have to believe in you. So you've got to hold your head high. Don't just look at or measure yourself by your achievements, but measure yourself by your integrity, by who you are. Okay, your values, what you stand on. Those are what are important. Okay. I feel like someone needed to hear this. And with this unrequited, you know, I feel like the message again here is about it. You've got to focus on you, okay? Because look, there's something new, and I'm getting new and better here. New and better, okay? All right. Let's see if there's any more. Any more. Woo! Okay, look at this. We've got some fly away. Okay, we have worth waiting for. So look, divine timing is at work in your love life as well. And I feel like it's also waiting for you to get you sorted out. Okay, everything will sort itself out. Look at this. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Okay, yes. We have very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it can come to you now. Okay, so if it's love, if it's something to do with money, something to do with career, stay optimistic because good blessings are coming. But you gotta believe in yourself and you gotta write it down, speak it, believe it, take action and trust. Okay. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance and many more. Ooh la la. Okay. And look at this here. We have your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Yes, because you are taking that time to work on you, build on you, recognize that why boundaries are so key for your growth, for your expansion, for your ascension. Okay, woo! So we have looked at love here. We are going to look at this new person that is showing up here. We're going to see what messages they want to give you here. Okay, so we have some messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, hobbies and interests, and things that they may want to say to you at this time. So let's have a look and see. Ooh! We have confident stride. So this person could be very confident, or the more you become confident in yourself, the more you are attracting that energy towards you. Ooh la la. Okay. What? Ooh wee. Okay. We have light colored eyes. We have someone could be a skilled musician, or they could be have like a craft that they're very skilled in, very knowledgeable in. We have I can't help but feel a sense of protectiveness over you. So I feel towards you. This person could feel, if we look here, it's like this energy of wanting to be by your side, but also be like your knight and shining armor. Ooh la la. Who that? Who that? Hey, we have your voice is like a beautiful melody that lingers in my mind. So I feel like this is a good time to enjoy. The more confident you are bringing that energy that when you are around, people enjoy your presence, your energy. You carry an uplifting energy, your mood, your spirit, your vibration, the way you move, the way you groove, baby. Okay, we have Thrill Seeker, Adrenaline Seeker. Ooh, what else do they want you to know? Do we have any messages from their higher self? Ooh, okay. We have a piercing gaze. Ooh la la. Okay. And we had eyes as well. So there could be a lot of kind of, I feel like it could be something to do with them, the way they communicate. It's like there's a lot of non-verbal communication, but it's like a mutual non-verbal communication. Okay, let's have a look and see what else they want you to know. We have here infectious laughter. So again, the way you move, the way you groove, your vibration, your energy. This person may have an interest in cooking, It could be some, it could be a mutual thing that you both enjoy. Okay, intuitive fingers pulling. We have freckles. Someone may have freckles. This could be you. We have mesmerizing voice. What else do they want you to know? Okay. Anything that they want to say to you. Anything they want. Yes, finally. Hey, we have so the DM to the DF, okay? Just simply means divine masculine to the divine feminine. Your energy inspires me to do better and to be a better person. Okay. Any more for love? Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Okay. Oh, one fell on the floor. Bear with me. There's a lot of energy in this card. Okay, we have an avid traveler. So this person could have a passion for traveling. This could be something that they would love to do with you. Funny enough, I was just to put rewind. We have a lot of rewind moments at Wagwan Terror and Tea, okay? But this just helps you to know that I'm human, okay? Behind the camera, I'm human. I'm human. But I was just about to put the cards down and this one was popping up. So we're going to have a look and see. Okay. We have your energy. Look at this. Your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. So we've done a little bit of a general love. Now we're going to look into money and career. Okay. But we'll look at first a well-being message. We'll just have a quick look at a well-being message for you. Okay, let's have a look and see what you need to know in the month of August, as well as looking into September. But we'll do a September read, but we're going to just have a look as predictions for August, okay? For the collective of who chose pile 1. Oh, so art could be a really good activity to do as a way to connect, as a way to kind of also like a therapeutic thing, okay? And we did have skilled musicians, so it could be some kind of form of art, whether it's dance, music, okay, painting, drawing, photography, okay, traveling, painting like scenery, landscapes. We have spending time with animals could be really good as well, whether it could be a pet, a family pet, going to like a local zoo, or a local kind of shelter will be really good as well. Let's see what this one is. We have looking at the stars. Okay, I love to look at the stars. Okay, so this is also a good way, and I think this is also the moon's energy, connecting with that energy to help you to then, okay, help you to, even it could be like a time to just say, right, I'm focused on this. Like you can even look at the stars. Something I love to do as well. Look at the stars and kind of say the things that you wish to manifest. Okay. Any more? So we have here connect with crystals. So crystals are a good time. Crystals are a good time. It's a good time. Hey, did say we have rewind moments. Okay, at least I catched it this time. But it's a good time to, you know, just to even have some crystals. That's why we always have some like crystals here. Okay, so I would say go to that crystal that resonates, and then you can have it in your hand, or you can have some crystals around you. Okay, just to help you to kind of just feel connected. Okay, so we're going to have a look at a oracle, a chakra oracle message. Okay, let's try and get them in order. Told you I was human. I should have done this way before the reading started. I thought I did. So anyway, we're gonna get into it. Okay, we're gonna get into it. Okay. Right. So for the collective, we chose pile 1. Okay, I just like to put them all in kind of order. What do they need to know? What chakras could be impacted in this time in August? Ooh, okay, thank you. We have here the crown. So this is your intuition. This is like connecting with the divine. This is again connecting with spirit. It's this energy, and we're seeing a lot of like crystals, spending time with animals, connecting with crystals. Okay, art, going out there, embracing new opportunities, letting go of things that are not serving you, not aligned with you. Okay, so here with the crown chakra. Okay, divine intervention. I honor. I hope you can see it. Let's see if we can make it better. Right. It looks a bit blurry, but I hope you can see it. I honor a higher power and know that anything is possible. I let a higher power have a more active presence in my life. And I know that my life is divinely guided. I surrender to this truth. I know that I am loved. Yes, darling. Yes, honey, you are loved. Can we say that again? Let's say that again. I am loved, guided, and protected by a higher source. Yes, let's claim this. We're going to say this 3 times because we're going to bring this strong, powerful energy in here, okay, in this read. I know that I'm loved, guided, and protected by a higher source. Oh, this makes me feel so good. I hope this energy is coming through. I know that I am loved, guided, and protected by a higher source. One more time for the collective. I know I am loved, guided, and protected by a higher source. Claim, 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 claim. I am open to seeking guidance in my spiritual quest from a spiritual teacher, master, or guru. Okay, so I feel like this is a good time to learn to let go of things not serving you so you can embrace new opportunities coming your way, because there are plenty of new opportunities, as we can see with the Queen of Pentacles. We'll bring them up to the surface, and with the world. Okay, so it's really about letting that go. And if you're looking at these 2 pillars, it's also representing balance. Okay, whenever we see any pillars in the cards, it's also about recognizing that we need to seek balance. Okay, so now that we've done that, we did a bit of a well-being segment. Okay, which is funny enough, these cards are popping through. I just noticed some of these. I feel like these cards are trying to come through. It probably is like another love interest. Okay, we'll just quickly have a look because I want to see why these ones was trying to like slide in, like as if they were trying to slide into somebody's DMs. Perhaps someone has been trying to slide into your DMs. Let's see what wants to come through for the collective. Okay, something did want to come through. We have someone who may have some strong arms that make you feel safe and cherished. Now, there was a mention about feeling safe around you, or feeling the need to want to protect you. Look, your energy brings me a sense of comfort. So I feel like someone was really trying to come through. Any more? Okay. Wavy hair. So this person may have wavy hair. Okay, or they might have some, like even a slight wave or two in their hair. Anything else? Ooh wee. Okay, they're really trying to come through. So let me just get the ones on the floor. We have, they could be muscular. They could be stocky. Hands that move with grace and purpose. Okay, they could be athletic. They could be clean shaven. Oh, we have here, I see you looking at me, and I know you're intrigued by my tone and athletic physique that reflects a vitality we can share. Let's have a look at these two that are here. We have, they could have olive skin. For some of you, they may have olive skin. Okay. We have mysterious eyes that hold an air of intrigue. Ooh. And we have, they could also be the same age. Okay. All right. So they were still trying to come through. Now we're going to look into money and career. Okay. So let's have a look. Before we come to a close, we're going to look into this little purse here and see what wants to come through for money and career. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, thank you. So we have here, start a side hustle. Okay. And again, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So this is a good time. It's a good time to manifest. It's a good time to start things. Okay. Build new opportunities for yourself. Again, with the world being here, new opportunities. Okay. Say thank you after every purchase. Say thank you after every purchase. Now, this is really good because it brings in really good energy, and it's gratitude is one of the best ways to manifest greatness into your life, into your existence, because it takes the opportunity of you being accountable, being able to reflect, and to have that balance that to have good is also to appreciate the good that you have. Okay. Don't look at this. Don't. Ooh. I was trying to say, but then it went into don't. Don't be a Scrooge. Okay, so don't be a Scrooge. Don't have a Scrooge mindset. Complete a financial audit. So I feel like this is also an energy of like, you know, good things are coming your way. So don't get so caught up in like, oh, I've got to do you're not like not even taking that time to enjoy the wealth that you're building for yourself, the opportunities you're building yourself. This is it's for you to enjoy it. It's for you to embrace it. Otherwise, if you don't embrace it, it's kind of like it's just coming to a waste because you're not taking the time or the opportunity to look back and go, wow, I'm doing really well here and I'm really pleased about the opportunities that are coming my way. So embrace it, okay? Right, let's have a look with these surrender cards. What message do they want you to know right now in regards to, if we can look at love, money, and career, we have surrender to miracles. So be open to miracles occurring in your life. Feel and know these events are real. Let go of resistance and banish any doubt that miracles can happen. So this is the thing. These are the messages that they want you to hear right now. Okay, I feel like messages from Spirit that wants you to hear all of these things. Okay. Okay, so let's have one more message just to end this read. Well, actually, we're going to give you two more messages. We're going to give you an angel message. But in terms of the career, money and career, I feel like it's embrace new opportunities. If there's something you want to start, a side hustle, a new job, or you want to explore, yes, do your due diligence. Take the time to then go and find go and research, but don't hesitate. Like, you never know if you don't try. You never know if you don't take any action. Write it down, manifest it, believe in it, believe in yourself. Okay, so let's have a message from the guardian angels first. Let's see what they want you to know. Okay, thank you. We have here, we have guardian angel Mahil, okay, the stars. Look at this. The stars have come through again. Look at the stars. So I feel like this is really a message for you to just remind yourself. Okay, and 3 plus 1 is 4 in numerology, might I add. Okay, this is the energy. Well, for tarot, for one, it's the energy of the emperor. So this is all things about being stable. In numerology, it applies also. It's the energy of being stability, bringing stability, welcoming this energy, security in your life. This is the time now. Focus on that energy, bringing that energy for yourself, and not feeling no way. Like, I feel like this is the energy of selfish. Like, it's not you, it's you are being selfless. You are taking that time to work on yourself. Okay, and I'm getting the message, you can't be a savior for anybody. Be your own savior. Look to the stars, say what it is that you want, believe it, and take action. Okay, right, let's have a look and see what message here from these wisdom cards do you need to know. So for the collective who chose pile 1, what message do they need to know? What message do they need to know? Okay, I feel like something's trying to pop out. Okay, we'll just hold it here for a little bit just to get some of all of this energy. Okay, in regards to love, money, and career, what does the collective need to know? Can we have one card, please? Yes, thank you. All right, so we have here, may the thoughts be with you. Okay, what things would you do if you didn't feel you had to judge your result? You know, this is a really good question. What things would you do if you didn't feel you had to judge your results? Okay, you finally start painting. Look at this. Would you finally start painting, singing, writing, dancing? These are some of the things we mentioned earlier as well. Acting or photography. Start enjoying your creativity instead of expecting to create a masterpiece. You hear that? So use this month and beyond as an opportunity to start something new. Okay, embrace opportunities around you. If there's opportunities for you to go out and explore, okay, embrace these opportunities that are coming your way. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So we're going to leave it here. But to the collective who chose pile 1, I hope the messages are resonating, okay? And you know what we like to do around here, right? Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay? This is Jamaican Part 1. It simply means this is how it goes around here, okay? So, be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, stay hydrated, keep sipping, okay? And I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 2, okay? And we are looking in your love and money and career, what you need to know right now, as well as your well-being in August, okay? So predictions for August, as well as moving into September, we're focusing on August, okay? So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or some snacks to help you to stay hydrated as we gather these juicy intuitive gems, okay? And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. All right, let's get into it. Okay. So we got the 8 of Pentacles, and the 8 of Pentacles is is here to remind us this is a good time to start something, work on something. Perhaps you may have some goals, some ambitions, some things that you have dreamt about, some things that you have visions about. You've been wanting to manifest this, like manifest it into your life. It's a great time to take action, okay? So if there are any projects, any things that you want to work on, okay, it's a great time to take action, okay? This could also be perhaps be maybe a love interest that wants to work on things, that wants to come towards you, okay, at this time. Because look, we have the Empress in reverse. Perhaps some of you may have been feeling a bit like meh, just not yourself lately. And I feel like the message is a really good time to work on you, love on you, whether it's like words of wisdom, buying some nice things to eat, okay, looking after your body, all of those things, all of this kind of like wholesomeness will be really good at this time, okay? Because we have the Three of Swords. So perhaps there may be some of you who may have experienced some kind of loss or heartbreak. Okay, it could be a breakup of some sort. And I feel like healing is required at this time, but I feel like it's centered around the Empress energy in you, okay? So taking this energy of working on yourself and loving on yourself can really help you at this time, okay? So we're going to have a look now with the Jamaican proverb and see what the Jamaican proverb wants to let you know as an additional message right now, okay? So for the collective who chose pile 2, what does the Jamaican proverb want you to know right now? Oh, wow. We have quite a few here. So we have the John Crow never make house until rain come. The John Crow never make house until rain come. Okay. Now, in Jamaican patois, the John Crow is the crow bird, okay? Never make house. The John Crow never make house until the rain come, okay? And this is the idea that the crow bird doesn't seek shelter until the last minute, okay? And I feel like this could also be with this energy of the Empress. Sometimes with the nurturing one, the loving one, could be to help others before we help ourselves. And I feel like there's a message here on taking that time to work on you, invest in you, not leaving you, okay, and your welfare, your well-being last minute. Whether it comes to your finances, it comes towards your overall well-being, is not to leave it last minute, okay? Because perhaps it may have led to this kind of energy here where you're feeling like you're left out, okay? Left out. I'm getting left out in the cold, okay? So save and invest for a rainy day. Save and invest for a rainy day, okay? We have the cow say, sit down, don't mean rest. This cow say, sit down, don't mean rest. So this simply means the cow is saying to rest, to sit down, but not to rest, okay? And I feel like with this message, it's kind of like, maybe if this might be a down period for some of you, that's okay. But continue to keep on striving, to continue to keep working on your goals, your ambitions. Don't let anything or any past experiences or any current experiences hold you back from what it is that you want to do, okay? So whatever aspirations, any ambitions that you may have, keep working on them, okay? Don't be lazy, don't be idle, and don't self-sabotage, okay? And we have here, cockroach have no business in a foul fight. A cockroach, okay, has no business in a foul fight. In Jamaican patois style, cockroach have no business in a foul fight. Cockroach have no business in a foul fight, okay? So don't get involved in things that don't concern you. Okay, mind your business. Okay, in the Keenan's voice from Keenan and Kel, mind your business. Mind your business. Okay, and I feel like if there is kind of any, especially with this third party energy going on here, if there is anything, okay, some kind of like disagreement between others, this like the strong messages here is don't get involved. You know, whether it may there may be others that rely heavily on your energy to kind of dampen or to kind of be the voice of reason. Okay, don't get in. I'm getting the message of don't get involved to the point where it's almost like fingers are pointing back at you. Okay, I feel like this is a really good time for you to be working on you, just working on you, and it's nothing about being selfish about that. Okay, working on you should never be selfish. It should be selfless. Okay, that's our outlook on working on you and looking after you. So we have here to see me and live with me are two different things. To see me and live with me are two different things, okay? In Jamaican patois, okay? To see me, darling, and to live with me, okay, are two different things. To see me and live with me are two different things. To see me and live with me are two different sing things. Sing things is another way of saying some things, okay? It's two different things. To see somebody externally, okay, outside of their home setting, okay, it could be a different mask, okay? We wear different masks, okay? And we may have the ability to code switch, okay? Whether it's like like family, let's say with family, you may be very comfortable around family, or it could be the complete opposite. With some friends or associates, can be very different, okay? So the idea is that what you may see of somebody externally and how you know them can be completely different to how this person is in their home life, okay? Think of somebody like who's sitting on the toilet. That's their most authentic self, where they're behind doors, no one can see what's going on, okay? They can just have that sigh of relief knowing that they do not have to impress anybody while they're, well, depending on if they're on a date, and they might be thinking, oh my gosh, what is this person gonna think of me if I do number two? Oh my gosh, okay. But it's you know, it's the idea that you're at home, you're in your own space, you're in your own peace. You ain't got to worry about how you look, how you know how you may come across to others. And I feel like there might be for some of you like a revelation that the person that you may have known, okay, and it could be why there's three of swords is here. You may have come to realize that this person was playing a or had a facade the whole time, okay. I'm getting their message. There might have been some manipulation, and they may have used. You know, I feel like some of you may have been an empath, or you may have been an rewind. Okay, let's rewind that moment. Okay, so meaning that whether you may have been an empath or shown or displayed empathic behaviors to others. The thing about being an empath is that it can also expose you to people who can be very manipulative because they recognize that you have a very caring, nurturing, and loving style about you, or I was to say manner about you, aura about you, okay? And it's unfortunate that people who may wear a mask may rely on that as some kind of supply. So I'm kind of getting perhaps like people who are may have manipulative behaviors, okay, that could be on that manipulative kind of spectrum, narcissistic spectrum. And I feel like the message here is to really tune into yourself, tune into your gut, tune into how you feel, recognize if there's any kind of patterns here, especially with the Three of Swords being here, because the Three of Swords is kind of giving a message of like there could be some kind of disagreements and someone's being caught in the middle. Okay, just be recognize, just to, for some of you, just to be aware at this time. Okay, and I feel like the main message is, regardless of how anyone feels, doing you can never be wrong. Okay, with good intentions, as long as you've got good intentions, you've always go about, trying to do the best for others, but you've also got to put yourself first. Okay, and I feel like there's a strong message that someone needs to hear this. We all need to hear this. Okay, but as long as you've got good intentions, only good can come. Okay, regardless of how the situation may unfold. Okay, so let's start now with some love messages. Woo wee! They're already coming out. Look at this. Look at this. There's a strong message here to free yourself. So I feel like if there's any kind of situation right now, it's really asking you to, let go of anything that's not aligned with you. Not let go, okay? In August, it's a very powerful time for manifesting. We had the Lion Portal. Okay, we also had we have two full moons. Okay, we have the new moon. Okay, as well as the blue moon that's coming up, and it's a great way to like manifest, let go of things that are not serving you, not aligned with you. I feel like it could also mean that perhaps you are working on towards building, growing, okay, and perhaps the more you grow, the more you take time to become more accountable for yourselves. This can then also interplay with those around you who may not be ready for that same path. But I feel like the message is that you still have to, don't let that concern you, but trust your intuition, trust your gut, and trust how you feel. Okay, but free yourself from any kind of worry, apprehension, or fear. Okay, all right, let's see what messages do the collective who chose pile 2 need to know right now in August. August predictions, please. Okay, we have here worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Look at this. So, even if you're thinking like, oh, love life, what love life? Divine timing is at work. And I feel like this could also be a message from the divine wanting you to work on yourself, loving yourself. So something that matches your aura, your energy comes into play, okay? Especially with this Empress in reverse. This Empress in reverse is saying that this Empress could be feeling a bit let down, feeling hurt at this time, and we've got to heal this. We've got to heal this wound, okay? This Empress is maybe feeling at this time, okay? Loving on yourself, wearing like beautiful clothing. Look at what the Empress is wearing, and embrace that. Embrace that energy as the Empress. But also, I feel like it's also an opportunity to, if there's been any discussion or questions about boundaries, really taking on this attitude about what are your boundaries. I'm getting this strong message about reflecting on your boundaries. What does respect look like to you? Okay, what does integrity look like to you? And really ask yourself, whatever it is that you see that is, or you see like, right, the respect I give to others, or is the same respect that I expect for myself. And creating those boundaries will really also help the universe know, okay, we're going to call you Jane. Jane ain't playing. Jane's not playing. Yes, Jane. Click those fingers for Jane, because now Jane is taking on this role of saying, yeah, I deserve respect. I deserve love. I deserve unconditional love. I deserved to be like valued and appreciated, and that all starts with me. And there's a strong message here, okay, to free yourself from any kind of like previous thinking that may have held you back, okay, because it's time to take back control. And look at the unicorn stuck in this cage. It's time to take back control. Don't let this feeling of the Three of Swords cloud your judgment, okay? All right. So, any more love messages? Okay, thank you. We have unrequited love. So perhaps with the Three of Swords pop being here, there may have been this energy, okay? And I feel like it could have also been that you both are at different places at different times, okay? So there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going, okay? And I feel like it could have been a variety of, whether it's friendships, or it could be like a love interest. But I feel like something bigger and better awaits you. And perhaps with divine timing being here is that it wants you to know that you deserve better, okay? Look at this. Forgiving and learning. As you release, look, divine is wanting you to do something collective. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Ooh-wee! Okay. So show us the type of love for the collective now. As they heal, show us the type of love they will receive as they heal and they embrace the energy of unconditional love, okay, for themselves. What is divine timing wanting to give? What does divine timing or the universe wants to give them once they have fully embraced unconditional love? Woo! Okay, so we have past life relationship. You have known each other before. Now, I feel like this could also, perhaps it's like, I'm getting a cosmic kind of like past life relationship, perhaps not in the physical form, but I feel like it could be someone that both your spirits in like come together, and it's almost like you've known each other, okay? It could also be someone who takes on the opportunity to work on themselves so that they can come back to you bigger, better, newer, and everything, everything that you show to yourself in terms of unconditional love, they have taken that time to work on themselves so that they can be that person, okay? Not just for themselves, but also for you. Make the effort, okay? Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Now I'm going to have a look and see what's this one's popping out here. We have let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. And I feel like the universe wants you to work on, I feel like it's like saying it wants you to work on you. Okay. Let go of any kind of like, oh, like I wish I woulda, I coulda. Okay. Just let it be that you focus on you at this time, okay? And there's nothing wrong, about doing that. Remember, okay, if you've got good intentions, okay, being selfish in terms of you just focusing on yourself and just being like, I'm just gonna be, I'm gonna go in my hermit mode and I'm just gonna work on me. There's nothing wrong with that. Because if you can't get yourself right, okay, and work on you, then how you gonna be right for anybody? How you gonna be right for anybody? Look at this. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. We have, look, so the again, I feel like this could be the energy here as well. Okay. Perhaps this could have been some previous energies. Perhaps it could also mean it's a time to also work on any family healing. If there's been any things that you've noticed, perhaps it could be um the way you display care to others and maybe neglecting yourself. This could have been and also some kind of like family trauma, and it has been passed on to generation to generation, and it has been witnessed in your friendship groups, in your relationships, okay, romantic relationships. This it could have also been exposed in your work patterns, work relationships. And I feel like it could be an energy of saying, right, we need to cut this now. We need to cut this. We need to not self sabotage. We need to recognize these patterns and let go. Okay, remember, we're in August now, and August is a very powerful month to manifest. It's also a powerful month to let go, to let go of things that are not serving you. Okay, so that you can use that time to focus on what is it you truly want and desire, and allow that to bring in this energy so you can become more authentic. Okay, because the more authentic you become, the more free you become. Okay, so we're going to have a look and see. Okay, because there's no real kind of like energy of anybody particularly coming through in terms of these love messages, but we're gonna have a look and see if any other energies wants to come through in this deck. Okay, so we got messages from their highest self. Okay, things they may want to say to you, as well as hobbies or interests they may have in common, or things that they particularly like that may help you to know who this person is. Okay, so for the collective who chose pile 2, woo, okay, we have, I do wonder if I am good enough for you. Okay, so I'll have a little ponder, okay, and think, who could this be? Okay, whether it could it be yourself, could it be this person, okay, that may be currently on your mind right now. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so we have divine masculine to divine feminine. Our separation really helped me to see that you deserve so much more. Oh my gosh, you know what I just realized? I forgot to light the candles. I just realized. All right, we'll keep going anyway. We'll keep going. Okay. Right. Well-groomed beard. So they may have a well-groomed beard. Okay. I'm getting the message. Their giveaway. Right. Cooking and culinary. Okay. So they may be a foodie. Okay. This person may be a foodie. They maybe have talked about food. There's a mesmerizing voice. Okay. Messages from their higher self. What do they want you to know right now? We have, there could be an avid traveler. It seems like this person is trying to give lots of clues at this time. Okay, let's see what other messages they want you to know. Okay, we have intellectual, stimulating conversations. Okay, we have the way you understand me without words is truly special. Okay. Do you know who this person is? You have a way of making even the simplest moments feel magical. Okay. We have being with you is effortless. It just feels right. Okay. We have here chiseled jawline. So they could have a chiseled jawline. We have your beauty, both inside and out, captivates me endlessly. Okay. What else? Any more messages? Let's make this last shuffle. Okay, look at that. Sometimes when you see the last shuffle and all of a sudden it's like, ooh, I better be quick. I better be quick. Okay. We got athletic build. We have fashion forward and trendy. Okay. And we have, I feel a spark every time we touch. It's hard to ignore. Okay. So there are some messages here. Okay. And I'm going to just let's just pull out a good karma tarot just to see what are their true intentions. Okay, this person that's coming up at this time, what are their true intentions for you, towards you? Okay, what are their true intentions for the collective who chose pile 2? What are their true intentions towards the collective, or towards Jane? Okay, we have the Three of Swords. The Three of Swords is back here again. So I feel like this could be someone where there has been some kind of like pain. There could have been some heartbreak. And I feel like the universe, again, keeps saying, just you work on you. Focus on your healing at this time. Okay? Because I feel like, look, with the two of Pentacles in reverse, the Two of Coins, it's like, if you may have felt like, should I, maybe yes, no, I'm not sure, I'm confused, it's still getting the message that you got to free yourself of this. Perhaps there may have been like talks about wanting to do things and having so much dreams and visions, but it's not coming together. Okay, and look what we have here, the Temperance as well. So we have the Temperances in reverse as well, and this is kind of like saying also that spiritually it's making you disconnected. Hence the reason why we see the Empress. Okay, the Empress energy is also in reverse at this time. Okay, the thing about, and this is the thing about the cards, sometimes, you know, depending on what the situation is, the cards can tell you, woo, yes, we can see great things. Okay, and we can also see the things that you may not always like to see, but it's also for your growth. Okay, it's always so for your growth. The way I kind of see it as like messages from the Jamaican proverbs, all these or from the tarot and things like that, I see it as kind of like it's the divine's way of like building that communication with you, with your guardian angels, with spirit, with your ancestors, your spirit guides. Okay, so they can see what sometimes we can see or we can feel it, but we may ignore it. Okay, and then sometimes it can be that reminder to say, look, I know you've been sensing, girl, I know you've been sensing it. I know you've been feeling it. I know you've been thinking something's not right here. Whether it's a love relationship, whether it's a friend relationship, or just something that's just no longer in sync. It's like, I know you've been feeling it. I know you felt something for a while. Now, look at these little signs that you're seeing. Is the person showing you respect? Is the person valuing your time? Why is it that you keep coming back to this same feeling every time? Let this be your reminder. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more. Okay? I keep getting the message to keep saying no more. No more. No more. I'm choosing me. I'm choosing me. I am choosing me. And if that is a problem, oh well, it's not mine. I may have 99 problems, but that is not mine. Woo! Let's click those fingers. Okay. So we're going to pull out these surrender cards. Let's have a look and see what the surrender oracle cards, the power of surrender, wants to let you know right now. Okay. Woo! Okay. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Surrender unhealthy relationships. Let go of relationships that don't serve you. Can we say it again for those in the back? Let go. Let go. With chess. Let go. Oh, relationships that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people that just bring drama. You deserve. You didn't even mention the deserve earlier. You deserve to be treasured by others. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. You deserve it. Tell yourself that every day, every morning, every night. Every night. That you deserve to be treasured. You deserve. You did not born to come into this world. You hear that? To then be treated like you don't deserve to be treated well. You deserve to be treasured by others and to be surrounded by good, uplifting, positive people. Always collective. Whoever is watching, and thank you for those watching. Always remember that. Always remember it. Look at that. Look. You see the message. These are the messages they want us to know. Okay? So, we're going to have a look. We're going to look into some well-being now. Oh, woo. Okay, let's have a look and see what message wants to come through from the chakra. Okay, thank you. We have here. Look at this. Look at the cards are not lying. The cards are telling us what it wants us to know. Okay, the solar plexus. This is the energy right here. Okay, it's your gut. It's in your gut area, your belly area. Okay, your stomach. It's your self-worth, darling. Your self-worth. Look at this Empress in reverse. This Empress is kind of like her with the Two of Pentacles being here. You know, it's like saying, "Oh, I don't know. I'm confused. I'm feeling unstable right now. I'm not feeling certain, secure in myself." This chakra wants us to work on it right now. It wants us to recognize, okay? It wants us to recognize, to honor, okay? I honor myself by doing things that please me, not only those that please others. Okay? I am empowered as I release the need to live up to other people's unrealistic expectations of me. When I respect and approve of myself, others will naturally do the same. You hear that? You hear that, collective? Ooh! Ooh, this feels like a powerful motivational reading, okay? What it is a powerful motivational reading. But when I respect and approve of myself, others will naturally do the same. I teach others how to treat and respect me by how I treat and respect myself. Ooh, I know I'm worthy. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. Darling, honey, you are worthy of love. You are worthy of love, unconditional love at its greatest. If the sky is the limit, the sky is limitless. You are worthy of this. You are worthy. Always remember that. The boundaries I create with others acknowledge. Woo! The boundaries I create with others acknowledge my self-worth. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. Every time. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So we got a couple more messages. Okay. One more for well-being. Okay, and we're gonna go into money and career. Right. Can we have a message for a collective who chose pile 2? What self-care message do they need to know right now? Woo! Okay, thank you. Woo! We got take a flight, take a flight, take a flight. Okay, that's one of my favorites. Okay, reggae artist. His name's Freddie Roy. Okay, he's got a song. Take a flight, Babylon, take a flight. Take a flight, Babylon, take a flight. Okay, and the song is about, you know, letting go of things that don't concern you, letting go and just like, I'm just going to focus on me and leave this place that is not serving me, leave this energy. Okay, take a flight, plan a vacation. Okay, this is all part of you choosing you, looking after you. Look at that. Look at that. When we have 3, 9, numerology. Okay, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we add that together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Expansion, growth. Okay, time to take that action. Look at this. Soak in the bath. Taking time to look after you. Okay, embrace this energy. Okay, even if you're in the bath, you're around water. Water can carry powerful frequencies, vibrations. Speak into existence, uplifting messages to yourself so that water can be charged with that energy. Okay. 4 plus 6, it gives us 10. Okay, let's reduce that. It's back to 1. Starting anew, starting afresh. Okay, starting fresh, starting new with uplifting messages. You taking the lead. You being your own leader. We have spend time with animals. Okay, spending time with animals still gives us the number 12. Adding that together, okay, 1 plus 2, 3. New, bringing this new energy around you. Okay, helping you to also become more intuitive, trusting your energy, as well as trusting, building like a loving, nurturing energy with animals. Okay, and the nature around you. Look at that. We have the strong energy of 3 here again. Okay, so aromatherapy can also help you to connect with spirit, help you to connect with the divine, help you to connect with those intuitive messages that you may be receiving at this time. Okay, to unblock those communicative pathways to allow you to receive those energies, to receive those messages from source. Okay, right. So we have spend time with friends, and I feel like this is the energy as well. Spending time with people that you have a good relationship with. There is a level of like a good level of like trust, respect. Valuing your time. Building this relationship with them. Okay. And I feel like this is also helping to, build those kind of like stable connections as well. All right. So we are now going to look into some money and career messages. So let's start with some money messages. Okay. Let's have a look and see what messages you need to know right now. We'll look at that one as well. I feel like it wants to come out. If you see angel numbers 111 or 1111, it could be any angel numbers. Just journal it down, write it down 3 times, and then write down 3 things you are thankful for that your money can do. Okay. So write 3 things that you are thankful for that your money can do for you. Okay, save $5 to $10 every month in a savings account. and see it grow. Watch it grow. Okay, look at, we had the earlier, the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, watch it grow and pile up, pile up, pile up, pile up. Okay, you'll be able to kind of ka-ching. Okay, journal for 30 days and write one thing every day you are thankful for. Okay, your frequency is changing. Okay, we have here taking care and looking after you will keep your money positive, and your, keep a money positive attitude flowing. Okay, save for a holiday. Look, hey, take a flight, take a flight, take a flight. Okay, save for a holiday. Review your budget. We have here, reflect on what you have and be thankful no matter how small or big. A growth mindset attitude, having a growth mindset attitude to money will go a long way. Okay, we have give thanks and always show gratitude. Give thanks and always, okay? Give thanks and always show gratitude. So we're going to also have another message. Just gonna pull out this tarot and see what message do you need to know regarding money and career. Any other messages regarding money and career? Money and career, money and career, money and career for the collective who chose pile 2. Money and career. Any more money and career messages? Okay. So I feel like with the 9 of Swords, we've got the 6 of Swords in reverse, and we've got the 8 of Swords in reverse. I feel like the more you tune into instilling in you, a positive attitude, is gonna make you see your worth. It's gonna make you see, that you're doing great things. You're doing great things, girl. You're gonna see it's gonna unravel this energy. Perhaps you could be feeling like this at this time, but it's going to let go, and you're gonna realize that yes, I got so much things to be proud of. I hold my head high. Look at that yellow energy here representing the solar plexus. Okay? Be confident in what you do. And let that energy flow. All right. Thank you very much. Right. So we're going to just some last little words of wisdom. Okay? We'll start with the angel message. For the collective who chose pile 2, can we have an angel message, please? For the collective. Ooh, okay. This one fell on the lap. Look at this. Ariel 6 as well. Number 6, energy of balance. Okay. So we're going to call on Archangel Ariel. Okay, Archangel Ariel, Archangel Ariel, Archangel Ariel. May you surround the collective who chose pile 2, as well as the collective for all of these readings, okay? Instill love, help them to heal and to grow and to expand, and to make them recognize how unconditional love is their birthright. They deserve this. And so that they can reflect and be thankful, and to know that many blessings will flow and flow and flow in their life, and for them to always big up themselves. Good intentions always, but always to big up themselves. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at this. Love, look at this. Look at this. Taking this energy and giving it to you. Look at this. Right. So, last but not least, we are going to end with a little words of wisdom for the collective. What do you need to know in the month of August? This one was such a powerful reading. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Okay. What does the collective need to know right now? from these words of wisdom. What do you need to know? Oh, okay, thank you. We have here, look at this. The leap of faith. Look at the comfort zone. We have the fear and the sea of dreams. Look at this. Look at this. Okay? May those thoughts be with you. But this is it. This is where you are. And it's like getting that confidence, to know that you deserve great things. You deserve great things. Don't let fear, don't let past experiences, self-doubt sabotage your fear. Do not let those fear do not let the fear or any self-sabotage, hinder you. Don't get into things that don't, concern you. Mind your business. Don't self-sabotage. Okay? And we have here, you create your excitement in life. Okay? Yippee! Okay, so look, we've got her morning ritual. Okay, yeah, perhaps your morning ritual could be a cup of tea, sitting in the garden, okay, and giving your thanks. It's something that I've been taking on a more conscious habit of doing, okay? Just sitting out or just getting up before I do anything and just giving my thanks. Okay? I'm thankful for the collective. I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful for love. What are you thankful for today? Okay? So we're going to end the reading here. But to the collective who chose pile 2, I hope the messages are resonating. Okay? And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. Okay? Just as Jamaican Patwan, it simply means this is how it goes around here. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go, darling. I saw it go. So be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that energy of unconditional love. Keep sipping, stay hydrated, okay? Wave your flags in the comment section, okay? And we will see you on the other side. Wow. We'll see you. No, we'll see you on the next one. But if you do watch Power 3, we'll see you on the other side. But we'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan my general. So we are on pile 3, okay? And we are exploring the messages that we need to hear right now, okay, in August. So August predictions, okay, that can go into September, but we are focused heavily on August, okay? So I hope you have a nice cup of tea or some snacks as we gather those juicy intuitive gems, okay? So let's get into it. Okay, let's just get into it. Let's see Wagwan. Okay. Now, if you did watch Pile 2, okay, I completely forgot to light the candles. But they're lit now. But the energy, the messages still flow and flow and flow, okay? All right, so we have, so I feel like with the Wheel of Fortune, there's a strong message that things, this is a good time to take action on anything that you want. I feel like in all of the reads, there's a strong message about manifesting, because in August we have 2 full moons, we have a new moon, we have the Lions portal, the Lions Gate that just has passed. Do have a look, and I'll put it in the comments down below regarding a Lions portal reading that's available at Wagwan Tarot on the video tab. So I'll put it in the comments down below, okay? And the Lions portal represents that energy of great time to manifest, really tune into what it is that you want, what is it that you truly desire for yourself, and to take action, okay, towards that, as well as trust, okay. And I feel like with the Wheel of Fortune being here, it's like this is your chance to let things take its course, okay? Because we have with the the 6 of Swords, okay? I feel like the message here is that perhaps there could be things that you may have felt like, oh, I should I walk away from this? Should I do this? Should I do that? And I feel like it's like getting that clarity, working towards what you want, because it's almost like it's causing this energy with the Four of Wands, okay, in reverse. It's like it's still positive, but it's kind of like it might be a delayed, it may be like a delayed or like a delayed reward or something coming towards you, but maybe perhaps slowly. Okay, so I feel like there's a strong message about really getting clear with what it is that you want in life, okay, or your desires, whether it's your love, money, and career, so that those things flow to you, okay? Because I feel like there could be kind of like a flow, it could be a kind of like getting or seeking that clarity that you need, so that you are like, yep, this is I definitely want the Four of Wands. I definitely want success in my life. I definitely recognize that I deserve it. Okay. And in pile two, there was a strong energy about your self-worth. Okay. And I feel like there could be some energy here with self-worth, but also this kind of like being clear with what it is that you truly want. Okay. And now that we're in the energy of August, the month of August, we've got 4 months left. 4 months. Can you believe 4 months left of this year? So for the last quarter, what is it that you want? Darling, honey, what is it that you want? What is it you truly desire? What is it that you want to manifest in your life? Huh? Huh? If you can, huh? You can hear, okay? What is it that you truly want in your life? This is a question that we can all kind of like, but get clear, get clear, get clear, so it can come, so it can manifest, so it can unfold in your life. Okay, so let's start with the Jamaican proverbs. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose Power 3. What does the collective need to know? And I feel like as well, the Power 3 is here in this card, okay? In this readings, I feel like it's like a strong energy of growth. Strong energy of growth. 3 represents that energy. Think of the energy of the Empress. We saw the Empress, okay? For those of you who may have watched Power 2, the Empress was very present, okay? So for the collective who chose Pile 3, right, so we have, look at this. This, okay, I believe this was in Pile, I believe this was in Pile 1 or Pile 2. When beggar are beg from beggar, okay? When beggar are beg from beggar, they'll never get rich, okay? If you lack resources and they lack resources and you're seeking help from one another, how is that supposed to function? How is that supposed to flourish? Okay, in Jamaican patwa style, okay. When beggar I beg from beggar, when beggar I beg from beggar, you know, him never get rich. Him never. Him can also refer to, you know, any gender, okay? But it's the idea that you can't beg from somebody and knowing that that person has very little and expect a fountain of abundance to flow. It doesn't work like that. Okay, it does not work like that. And I feel like there's an energy here that perhaps whether it's love or whether it's money or career, there could be an energy of wanting something, desiring something. However, if you lack what is it that you want from somebody else, that person can only give you what you are able to give at that current or this moment of time. Okay, so we're going to keep that in mind. Let's see what other messages wants to unfold. We're going to start with the love messages here. Okay, so for the collective who chose pile 3, okay, what do they need to know in regards to their love life? Look at this. Clearly decide what it is that you want, okay, so that it comes to you. Clearly decide. Get clear with what it is you want. Okay, be about what it is you want. See it, okay? Feel it. Eat it, dream it. You've got to be about it all. You've got to feel it. You've got to speak it. You've got to see it. You've got to visualize it. Get clear. Get clear. Okay, what else do you need to know? What else do you need to know? What does the collective need to know? For the collective who chose pile 3. Look at this. We can see that because look, we've got the 4 of Wands. So you may be seeing lots of 11-11s. Okay, you might be seeing lots of signs, a lot of synchronicities at this time. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Okay, you just gotta. I feel like if this is something that you truly want and truly desire for yourself, don't feel no way about it. If you want to be married, if you want to be engaged, if you want to be in a long-term commitment, like a committed relationship, don't feel no way about it. You deserve that. You deserve it. You hear that, honey? Darling, honey, you deserve it. Okay? What else do you need to know right now? What else do you need to know? Okay, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type. Okay? Your usual type and expectations. So, keep that in mind. I keep getting the song by Saweetie. That's my type. Yeah, that's my type. That's my type. Well, that's not going to be your type, honey. It could be someone completely different, and perhaps it may be throwing you off because you have so much in common, the way they make you feel, but you're like, but they're nothing like what I usually go for. Well, maybe that is where the issue lies. The one that can be completely different to what you usually go for is the one that can be that wheel of fortune. Okay, they can be that wheel of fortune. Okay. Any more messages? Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Oh, there could be a past life. Perhaps this could be someone you know in your past. It could also be, perhaps you don't know them in your physical form. It could be like a spiritual freak, like a 5D, like this. They carry this energy. It just makes you feel like, wow, I feel like we've known one another. Okay. Ooh la la. Okay. So we're going to have a deeper look now into who this person could be. So let's have a look. We're going to clarify with the good karma tarot and see what wants to come through for the collective. Ooh, something felt like it already wanted to come through. Okay, let's have a look because it seems like a lot of messages here. All right, so we have this 2 of Swords in reverse. So there's definitely some kind of like needing to seek some balance, some clarity. We've got some 5 of Swords going on in reverse. Okay, and this could be like not wanting to argue, not wanting to kind of have any issues there. We have the Judgment. Now, I'm going to read this upright or up as well as reverse, okay? We have, look at this. The 10 of Cups. Sorry, the 10 of Pentacles, okay? The 10 of Pentacles being here. Look at this. Look at the 10 of Pentacles. Perhaps there could be an interracial element here. Okay, but I feel like there could be an energy of wanting all of these things with let's hold it all this way. wanting to have all these things, but there's some things that you perhaps need to cut off. Okay, I feel like there's an energy that you have to drop something off. And it could be this energy. Again, if we look here, be mindful of your circle. Okay, be mindful of that energy attracts energy. Okay, if you lack and if you have a feeling of lack, that manifests itself. And we're in a month where there's a strong manifesting energy. Okay, if it is, this is what you want, be clear about this is what you want, so it can come. With the Ten of Pentacles, let this be, you know, this is a powerful, strong Four of Wands energy right here when it comes to love. Embrace it, love on it. Okay, don't dwell on things like this with the Five of Wands where you're still having animosity or resentment towards somebody or something. Let that go. Release it. Remember, energy is a powerful thing. Don't let this energy take and consume you. Okay, or take over you in any shape, form, any kind of like, I want to say, it's like you want to say shape, but don't let it kind of shape you or mold you in any way. Okay, so let's have a look at this. We're going to look at this because we can see here the two of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. We're going to look at this energy here. Okay, because we can see there's a Judgment, and I feel like there could be you know, this energy of like cutting any previous kind of energies, like, oh yeah, I want this but I don't know. Okay, and I feel like the strong messages, you've got to let that go. Actually, before we start this, let's look into the surrender cards first. What is it that you need to surrender at this time? What is it that you need to surrender? So for the collective who chose pile 3, what is it that you need to surrender at this time? There's a stubbornness energy going on here. There's a stubbornness energy. If you are tensing, and look at this, as we can see that here, this is stubborn energy. Can you see that? The Five of Wands can represent challenge. It can represent competition. Okay, but there's an energy that's holding, and it's like, you gotta cut it. You need to cut it. Your price is way too high. You need to cut it. Okay, the price of being stubborn and arguing and being resent is too high. You gotta cut it. It's causing this energy of like, well, the divine saying, well, my love, darling, honey, I could want the best for you. Okay, I could want the best for you. Okay, but if you don't want it for yourself, and if you don't take the time to believe, how can I bring it down for you? Look, how can I do it? I'm trying to give you the sign. Okay, but you have to make that decision. My love, you have to make that decision, and you have to let go and drop off anything that is not serving you and decide which path you want to take. Okay, so what are you going to be, darling? You're going to continue to stay in this energy, and stay in this 5 energy, stay in this resentment and hold on to things? What are you going to do, my lovely? What are you going to do, darling? Okay, Auntie Self-Love is coming through right now. Yes, darling, it's Auntie Self-Love. She take over now. What you going to do, darling? You want to stay in this energy? You know, see it a hold your back. It's holding your back. And look at the messages here. You have to cut it, because it's bringing peer drama and a calamity in your life. You have to cut it. Okay? Thank you, Auntie Self-Love. You're welcome, darling. Anytime for the collective. All right. So Auntie Self-Love was really kind of just telling us, look, we've got to cut this energy, because it's also impacting our energy to believe. It's impacting our energy to recognize that we deserve so much more. Okay, so letting go of this resentment, okay, because this resentment now creates blockages in your life. And this is why the Judgment is here, because the Judgments can see, you know, you do want this, You do want this, but you got to let go. And this is why, sometimes these messages come through because an energy of growth is required here, not just by if there's a love interest in question, but also by yourself. Okay, surrender to this energy of stubbornness. You're tensing up or taking a rigid stance about something. Gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you, collective, to communicate more lovingly with others and yourself. I'm getting the message that going through all of the reads, if you chose Power 3, you're going to find gems in every single read. Okay? Right. So now we're going to have a look into who is the Ten of Pentacles. Who is the Two of Cups? Okay, let's have a look and see what's the... Woo! Okay. We have some clues here. They could be passionate about volunteering and giving back. They have, I love everything about you. Okay, so I want you to just sit in your intuition energy and think, who could this be? All right, what other messages? The Ten of Cups, sorry, the Ten of Pentacles and the Two of Cups want you to know. So it's definitely a soulmate energy. Okay, and we're just looking at love at the minute. Okay, love messages. There could be an fitness enthusiast here. Okay. What else do they want you to know? Okay. I'll just have it so you can see the Two of Cups. This person could have freckles. What else do they want you to know? Okay. There's a lot of energy here. There could be some cooking. They could be like a foodie or have interest in cooking. Okay. Perhaps they have made meals for you in the past or talked about food and stuff like that. Okay. They could be a thrill seeker or an adrenaline seeker. Okay. Now I feel like the intuitive finger wants us to see some messages here. Look at this. I trust you more than anyone else. You've earned it. The thought of being without you is something that I have worried about. Okay. What else do they want you to know? Okay. Messages from their higher self. Messages from their higher self. We got one that flew away. They could be very artistic and creative minded. Okay. Messages from their higher self. I do wonder if I am good enough for you. Perhaps this could be like some self-sabotaging energy. Remember, energy attracts energy, and it could be both mutual energy that you're both doing it. Okay, with the Five of Wands being here and the Five of Swords. Okay. All right. Any other messages they want you to know right now? Okay, from this love interest. Ooh, one fell here. They could have brown eyes. They're trying to give some clues. Okay. Any more clues? Let's see. Usually what I find when I say last shuffle, it's like, oh, I want them to know this. I want them to know this. And they usually like, we have quite a few messages that come out. So let's see if it happens this time. Right. Last shuffle for you to tell the collective, and we're going to call the collective Jane. Okay. What you want Jane to know right now. Okay. So Jane has picked Power 3. What do you want Jane to know right now? Let's see. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Look at that. Do you see? Yeah. Look at that. We have what? 4 messages come out. Okay. Your intelligence and wit impress me more than you know. They could be a skilled musician. They could be or skilled in some kind of craft. Okay. You make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. We have your voice is like a beautiful melody that lingers in my mind. Now have a think, okay, and feel where your intuition is like leading you. Where is it trying to take you? Okay, where is it looking at the Two of Swords? Where is it trying to take you? Who could this person be? All right, who could this person be? Okay, so we are now going to look into some well-being messages. Okay, let's have a look at some well-being messages for the collective. Can we have some well-being messages for the collective, please? So what do they need to know in the month of August? The predictions for August. We have sound healing will be really good at this time. Okay, sound healing. Okay, sound healing. And it can also help to remove or release blockages so that you can get more sense of clarity as well. Okay, let's have a look. Just make some more space for the cards. All right, what else? Okay, thank you. We have a couple here. Let's have a look at them. So we have hydrate. Yes, this is something we heavily promote at Wagwan Tara and Tea. Okay, but I'm getting the message to have a look at the number 2 + 7 is 9. That's again coming to your own independence. Okay, 9 represents that energy of like independence, coming into your own, getting clear with your thoughts. Okay, and this, staying hydrated can really help you to connect with your intuition. Okay, flow like water. Now I'm getting a song by a dancehall artist called Dexter Daps. Okay, if you know who Dexter Daps, because he is a bit of a, he sings for the ladies, put it in the comments down below. But I'm getting the message of like flow like, one of his songs or something like flow like a river. Okay, flow like a river. Okay, so flow like the water, flow like the water, and stay hydrated, connect. Even you've got like a glass of water, water can carry frequencies, good vibrations, okay, as well as bad vibrations. So if you've got like a glass of water, speak positive like affirmations to that water, okay, and before you drink it, and allow that source of like powerful energy and vibrations to flow. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. Okay, we have 8 chanting. Okay, connecting with source, saying words of wisdom. Okay, helping you to tune in to yourself. Okay, abundance planning. This could be really good in terms of also your love, for your love, money, and career. Writing it down, speaking it in existence. Okay, look at that. Look to the stars. Okay, and I'm getting the message. Look, 3 + 1. Okay, that gives us 4. That represents the energy of the Emperor, stability, security. Okay, connecting with source. I feel like it's a message of like really connecting with your intuitive power at this time. Okay, to help you to kind of release this energy of the 2 of Swords where you're not sure, because then it's also impacting on your ability to manifest and know that you deserve it. So it's like it's coming to you, but it's coming slowly. Okay, and I feel like it's also just getting clear with what is it that you truly want and you truly desire, so it can flow. Right, so let's have a message from these chakra wisdom cards. What is it that you need to know right now? Woo! Okay, thank you. We have, yes, this is the root chakra right now. Look at this root chakra, responsibility. I plant myself on solid ground by consistently taking responsibility and having personal accountability for all that I do. I allow others to depend on me being responsible. My actions speak louder than my words. I rise above excesses and overindulgences as I forgive myself for my past indiscretions. I know I could not have acted in a more evolved way than I was able to at the time. And I feel like this is also an energy of having to to forgive, to learn, to heal, and not hold on to things, okay? Or maybe past actions, okay? Because they could be also hindering you. Release yourself from that, okay? All right, thank you. So now we are going to move into, okay, no, we'll do one more. We'll do an angel message before we move into money and career. So let's have a look at what message, angel message wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 3. What do you need to know right now? Oh, okay, you got couple. Look at this. We have 20, hahaya, okay? Liberation, liberation, freeing yourself. Okay? We have here insight. So yeah, so angel Yeruha, okay? Insight. Again, that's about you connecting with your, intuition, getting clear with your thoughts. Okay, what is it you truly want? Because if you see what's going on with the Two of Swords, it's like they're stuck at a crossroads. We've got to get clear with what is it that we want. Okay, we have here emotions, Haniel. Because our thoughts and our feelings, okay, they create union. If we're not clear and especially how we feel, it can result to us manifesting that with what we don't want. Okay, and I feel like this is why the Four of Wands is in reverse, because it's like something's coming towards you, but it's also kind of like there could be like fear attached to it. Okay, we have Archangel Michael as well. Self-awareness. And again, the energy of 9, if we add them together, it's, you coming into your own, taking accountability, recognizing that's your responsibility for yourself, with the root chakra being here. Okay? Look at that. Thank you. So now we're going to look into some money and career messages, all right? So let's have a look. We're going to go into the purse and see what messages wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 3. We just have like a little feel, and then when we just feel like it just feels right, we just pull them out. Okay. So we have here, reflect. Reflect on what you have and be thankful no matter how small or big. Say thank you after a purchase. Now, this is such a it's such a good way to bring in good energy around you as well, because you are like connecting with source as well as that energy of money, okay, with that exchange of saying thank you. Start a side hustle. This could be something that you may have wanted to do. Okay, this is this is your reminder. This is your message. This is your sign. This is your synchronicity. Okay. Save $5 to $10 every month in a savings account. We should always be saving. It's a really good way to, enjoy reserved gratification. Okay. So that we live in a world where it's all about instant, but we can appreciate, okay, by saving, okay? We have taking care and looking after you will keep your money, and your positive attitude flowing, okay? Will keep your positive attitude. Let's rewind that bit. Okay, so taking care and looking after you will keep your money positive attitude flowing. All right, and we have here, don't be a Scrooge. Okay, don't have a Scrooge mindset. Complete a financial audit. So if perhaps this could also be there to say, oh, if there's a bill that comes your way, you're like, oh, I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. We're going to say delete, delete, delete. Okay? Because this can't be bothered mentality or attitude tells our subconscious to say, every time I think about this topic, every time I have to address this, it's telling me I can't deal with it. I don't want to deal with it. And it's causing this energy to block you, okay? And we have to release that. I can't be bothered. I can't be asked. Okay? Release that. Okay. Now let's have a look at for money and career. I want to see with the tarot anything wants to come out for the collective regarding money and career. Any other additional messages that they need to know for money and career. Money and career. Hey, you have the world. So the world is here to say, look, girl, you have many opportunities coming your way. Many opportunities coming your way. Hey, makes me want to dance. Money, okay? Money opportunities, wealth of opportunities coming your way, okay? But you just got to get clear with what it is you want. We've got a quarter left of this year, okay? Can you believe? Can you believe? So what is it that you want for the next quarter? What is it that you want beyond? What is it that you want from September, October, November, December, okay? What is it that you want? What is it that you want? What is it that you need? Get clear so that cycle it can amend that cycle. Okay? It can reattune the Four of Wands to be like upright. Yay. You deserve not just 1-1, not just 2-1, not just 3-1, but 4-1s, yeah. You deserve 4-1s, yeah. You deserve the 11-11s, yeah. You deserve opportunities. You deserve abundance. You deserve joy. You deserve. So let it flow. Let it flow like a river, okay? Like a river. Okay, in the words of Dexter Daps, let it flow like a river. Let it flow like a river. You ready? You ready? Okay, you ready? You ready? Put it in the comments. Let us know. What is it that you want? Okay, what is it that you want to manifest for yourself, whether in terms of money, career, love, whether it's marriage, committed relationships, growth, maybe a new job opportunity, okay? What is it? Could be a good time to enjoy traveling and trying something new, starting a side hustle, make it happen. Get clear. Don't get stuck. Okay, don't get stuck. But, let me say, try a thing. Try something new, okay? All right. So, we are going to end this read with a words of wisdom oracle message. Okay? Let's see what wants to come out. For the collective who chose pile 3, what message do they need to hear right now? What message do they need to hear right now? What message do they need to hear right now? What message do they need to hear right now? Okay, thank you. We have following the rules barely creates anything new. Following the rules barely creates anything new. You hear that, darling? Honey, go out there. Be authentic. Try something new. Try a thing. Try a thing. Try something new. Okay? Live. Live the dream. Don't dream the dream. You see what we had earlier? Let's have a look and see if we can find it. The Judgment card. And this is, again, this energy of being stuck in the clouds. Knowing you have to make a decision. Hopefully I can find it. But if I can't find it, we'll get the Two of Swords anyway. So, you know, don't get stuck here. Live the dream. Don't dream the dream. So we're going to end this reading here. But for the collective who chose Pile 3, take the messages that resonate. Okay, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay, we're going to say it again with power. Take the messages that resonate, but leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means, it's just Jamaican Part 1, it just simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, I saw it go. But be sure to step into your energy. Step into your energy, child. Live the dream. Don't dream the dream. Go out there and enjoy. What is it that you want for the next quarter? Okay, we've got 4 months left of this year. What is it that you truly want? Put it in the comments down below and wave your flags as well in the comments, and any teas or snacks you had during the read. Okay, so be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, stay irie, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.